best KFC in the world. Normally persons will laugh, but it's the fact. But they use the local chicken which is organic.
I'm going. I don't want to go to the camera. Don't pick up.
I was there last night. It's not open as yet. 10:30.
What time?
10:30. So KFC and Burger King are the #1 fast food here.
Yeah, Burger King too.
Yep, I do Burger King like every day, every other day.
Oh, no, your poop stink.
Oh my God.
And here it's natural, not like what you guys have back home.
That answers your question.
So is it that you were saying,
Your gas.
oh my gas?
Yeah.
No, that's the one you have back home.
Your flatulence.
I made a few cracks earlier. You didn't smell anything, right? And we had McDonald's here, but they didn't want to use the local beef, so we had to kick them out. And I'm sure whatever they're using ain't beef. So what Burger King did was to purchase all the locations and turn them into Burger King. And we also have the red hair girl with the ribbons.
Wendy.
Yeah, she's also here. And Popeyes.
It ain't the best in the world, huh?
Wendy's?
Yeah.
Not here. Maybe the line at the red hair girl would be maybe 4 or 5 cars. Unlike KFC, the line is all around to the back of the building. And there's more KFC here. Last night I was there for almost an hour. And I got to do the fact that I know someone there.
So she can have some KFC.
And now they're like delivery trucks here. See? Hugh Wing. All these. The only thing that is not owned and maybe soon is the market. So this area is basically called Hopewell. They own the farm store and they own here also.
I say people, I take up my enough self, dressed like a cut post, gone up at the people in embassy, and the people them turn me down, my love. The people them say, why you want to travel? I say, because I want to see the snow that I always see on the TV. Hey, brother! I can't bother. People, right now I don't know if I must cry or if I must laugh. But I'm laughing for now, my love.
I am so torn apart and feel accumulate and disturbed with inside of me. But it's like I'm going and I will strong. Happen in the near future. It was nice having me